Dear Mother Nature, it is April, middle of April. Why? Why do we have snow? It's supposed to be spring. Like seriously. Seriously. Mother Nature, get with the program. Get off your tantrum, whatever, your period, whatever. Stop being bipolar. I want my nice April weather, okay? Like seriously, get with the program. Woman to woman, like seriously, like we need the April weather, not winter weather, okay? I don't want snow on my birthday. My birthday's in like 2 weeks. I don't want snow on my birthday. No. 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 I want to be able to walk downtown, to be able to enjoy a drink or two instead of having to drive because it's icy out. Like, come on! Come on! Seriously! Dear Mother Nature, get your shit together. Please and thank you.